welcome to Tokyo. To Tokyo, welcome to Tokyo. To Tokyo, welcome to Tokyo. To Tokyo, welcome to Tokyo. Welcome to Tokyo. Arigato.
Thank you.
Sayonara.
Bye.
Konnichiwa. Wa. Arigato.
Thank you.
Sayonara.
Bye.
Konnichiwa. Wa.
Konnichiwa, arigato, that's all the Japanese I know. Wait, I know sayonara too. Walking around with a baseball crew. Tokyo, Shibuya, Shinjuku, all the Yakuza, yeah, they knew me.
Nani?
Wait, Shinjuku, just trying to bump into Mewtwo.
I wonder if you know Beta Squad in Tokyo. If you seen it, won't believe it. Yakuza, it's time to go. They were scary. They were friendly. No.
Arigato.
Thank you.
Sayonara.
Bye.
Konnichiwa. Wa. Arigato.
Thank you.
Sayonara.
Bye.
Konnichiwa. Wa.
They done me dirty with gang Yakuza. Met the wrong guys, almost lost composure. We stepped inside, felt the tension in the air. Men in black suits, cold eyes, deadly stare. Then the shoving starts, chairs flying near my head. Thought the Yakuza was gonna leave me for dead. Sharky looking at me like this is the end. While our boys in the room act and pretend.
俺の名前は AJ。一回ビート止めて。こいつら俺が日本語喋るのわかんないし、ニコの息は臭いし、キリンに見える。シャンクスがスキップあった方が好きだった。シャーキーとケニーのバースはクソすぎ。
When did you learn Japanese?
What are you saying?
Tell us, what did you say?
So play the trailer.